Happy afternoon all. Respected Impact Foundation founder Gampa Nageshwarrao garu, mentor Nakka Naveen garu, Mahakavi CC group facilitator Butla Rajamalaya garu, and my dear group members. Today my assignment is telling a moral story. Once there was a cow in a small village. It was humble and honest, and it was true also. It always speaks truth. Recently it has a small baby calf, so it is friendly to all animals. One day this cow went to forest to graze grass. So it was eating the grass. It became late in the evening. Then what happened? A horrible sound came. From the den, a tiger came. It came near to the cow and it was about to jump on the cow. Wow! Now, the tiger said, now I will kill you and today I will get a good meal. Then the cow was afraid of the tiger, seeing that. "Oh king, oh tiger king, please don't kill me. I will come back after giving milk to my baby calf." Then the tiger said, "I know every prey, every animal says like you, I never leave you. I won't leave you." "No," the cow said. "No, please. It is fact. I have a small baby calf. Please let me go. I am saying fact. Let me go to my baby and give the milk to that and let me come here. I will definitely come and stand before you." The tiger said, "Okay, I will see, because I think that your words are believable. Okay, if you do not come, I will see you at any moment and kill you and your baby calf." The cow said, "Thank you, Tiger Raja. I will come back. Let me go." "Okay, I will wait till you come," the tiger said. Then the cow was going back to its farm and it was crying for her baby calf. It came near to calf. And then the cow said, "My dear lovely calf, now drink the milk as much as you want now. Now I am leaving you. I am going to somewhere else. I may not come back. Please be honesty. Be honesty. Be true. Don't blame others. You should have good manners. It may be the last presence I am leaving." Like that, the cow told all the good manners to his baby calf and it went back to the forest. There the tiger saw here and there. "Ha ha, what a mistake I did," the tiger said. "I unnecessarily missed this cow. So far it didn't come. I am stupid. What shall I do now? I did a mistake." But at that moment, the cow was coming from a distant place. Seeing the cow, the tiger said, I have mistaken. Actually, it is coming now. Really, what a good cow it is. What a honest cow it is. Oh, really. The cow came near to the tiger and said, Tiger King, sorry for the late. Now I have come and stood in front of you. Please kill me and eat me. I followed my truth. Kill me. The tiger said, "Ah, what a wonderful, what a honest cow you are. I won't eat you. I never saw like you. You are honest cow. If I eat you, I will get sin. So I don't want to eat. You go back to your baby calf and stay happily with your baby calf. But according to my words, I stood on my words. That's why I came here. Please eat me, the cow said. No, you can go. Thank you, Tiger King, said the cow. Since then, the cow stayed with the baby calf happily. The moral is here, be honest. Honesty is the best policy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Right. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.